You the influencer chef.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I am.
So when you get your own shop, let me know and I will be there.
Yo， 大家好，我是小马，现在是早上7点半，这些都是我昨天晚上收拾好的锅、食材和餐具。今儿接了个活儿，去给一个办公室的人做午饭。今天准备了3种面：全素的葱油面、蛋奶素的西红柿打卤面、牛肉的炸酱面。昨天我花了半天把我的面条都弄好了。这是我的粗面，做炸酱面的时候用这个面，然后这个面我来做葱油面，因为它细。还有炸了半天我的葱油。Oh, Dad. ，OK。好大声啊！我在这切。我买的这些碗想给大家盛面，但是这个真的是2口的量，所以我最后就用它盛我备的菜得了。有2种番茄，这个长得不一样，它是长的 ，San Marzano Plum Tomato， 意大利的西红柿，算是西红柿的王。烫，稍微啊，谁来了 ？Hello， 这位是 Benji， 他会一些中文，曾在上海生活过一段时间，今天他也是我的雇主。Bloody hell.
What?
You look smart.
And I thought I'd look directory.
他是英国老牌保健品 Vitabiotics 魏大贝尔的中国区域总监。我跟他上次见面是在一个英国春节活动。
You look so different in your chef's outfit. What's the Chinese saying on your outfit?
MaxFoodAdventure.
Man, I've watched your channel so many times
Okay.
that I am now going to have a chance to try your food. 加油!
Hey, I like him. 手有灵魂，我们要把我们的炸酱面夹了。哇，这个超级香！哈，哇哦，这个大家都会喜欢吃这个。哇，这个炉子我真的不会用。It's on the highest， 就没有火那么。It doesn't get hot enough. It's really annoying me. Big decision. 换锅，这个锅是一个大圆，然后我这个锅底部很小，所以它收热的比这个慢多了。真的。This stupid induction, but it's been very nicely allowed us to use it, but it's induction. I'm not going to say anything. 你们大家都知道我痛苦。保证 is a strong word， 但是我觉得可以保证不翻车。西红柿炒鸡蛋我这一辈子做过100遍，炸酱面我做过好几遍，现在有一个把握。葱油面呢，提前1天做了，然后请了我家人去尝了，没有问题。
That is so good.
哦，跟外国人说 Chinese Noodles， 他们都会说炒面啊，感觉他们这3个都没听说过，没吃过，打破了老外对中国面的认知。现在我有点紧张。I know everything tastes good, but I've tasted everything. Yeah, so this is all super traditional. I grew up in China, so this is the stuff that I grew up eating. This one is typical Beijing street food. It's a very meaty, salty sauce, and then you mix it up with all the daikon, radish, cucumber, celery, and it's all noodles underneath. This one is tomato and egg noodles, very umami, very nice. This one is vegan. It's a flavorful scallion oil and a soy sauce that I've cooked overnight.
I'm going to do tomato and eggs.
Tomato and egg, oh, I like it. Yeah?
Wow,
They're all super authentic and traditional as well.
Can I go for a beef?
Yeah, 1 beef. Are you vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'll probably go for the...
Okay, I'll
Yeah? Yeah.
Can I go for the beef?
Yeah, 1 beef? Of course. 5 minutes. Yeah?
It's literally like your school canteen now, isn't it? One of the egg ones.
1 egg.
Yeah, 2 of them.
2 of them? Okay, I think that's all of that gone. So this is finished now. Sorry guys. It's the beef and the vegan one.
This is mine.
Yeah, 1 vegan. 1 beef? Beef, yeah? Beef? Beef as well. Okay, bloody hell. So I'm gonna go behind and make it. I'll be about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes.
Good
Right,
lad.
cheers guys.
Nice.
I grew up in China, now I'm living here. Been here for 7 years now. Yeah, but I was in China for 13.
Smells amazing.
Oh yeah.
He's a professional, isn't he? He's a very good chef.
Gotta be
I never
cool.
see that kitchen get used to it. It's good to see
Really?
it. Let's
Maybe I should do it more often.
make it a regular thing.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright, we got 5 beef first. And feel free to grab a free tea with your beef as well.
Did you order beef? Yeah, that's yours now.
Didn't expect to see so many people here, to be honest. Hey guys, 4 veggies.
And guys, we've got chopsticks as well there if you want to say.
More veggie coming.
There's one more coming. How do I feel? 我以为我这个会没人来，然后突然大家都来了，然后就不够吃的。I've got to start giving people less.
Yeah. Got 3 tomato and egg.
It's called 番茄鸡蛋 in Chinese. It's a really, really popular dish.
Oh, a tomato and egg, and this lady, yeah, tomato and egg.
Still taking orders.
I'm not sure. And we've almost out. And we got 4 vegan scallion ones.
A scallion, like oil. Vegan.
Nah, man, these are just for show. We only had 30 portions and everyone grabbed them up. Yeah.
Because it says real Chinese noodles, I'm tempted to see what that actually contains.
Oh, thank you. Super sorry about that. We oversold it by 1 million. Yeah, no worries. Enjoy it. What did you think of it, bro?
That was really nice.
Yeah?
Thanks very much.
Yeah.
No, I appreciate it.
Yeah, sorry it took so long.
Not a problem. Which
Yeah.
was the most popular?
The beef, man, I had so many orders. Ran out of noodles like in a flash. Originally it was about 10 people at first, and then I made for 30 in case people wanted some, and then I didn't expect so many people to come up.
Yeah, well, the vegan one was very nice, yeah.
Yeah, thanks. 哎呀，我感觉特别，我 promise 了好多人面，然后就没给他们。披萨飞，
I get all 3. Sanga.
3个面。If I don't rub it in, you might get an angry mob.
Yeah,
coming.
actually, let's go before the angry mob comes.
So these 3 are made right at the beginning. We didn't sell them for us now. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen you so happy.
Me and Haoshu. Max Kitchen.
You know what happened? I think I was given too many noodles to start with. We pretty much got all 30 portions gone.
The beef is really good, man. The beef is really good. New roll. Ah, it's so flavoursome. Did you get anything, Jacob? Oh, we've got one for you now, mate.
Oh, wish it. Yeah.
So I appreciate all your help, dude.
Yeah, cheers, bro. I started off with a recipe and then I doubled it. I should have tripled it, man.
This one is next level. I'm excited for this.
Hello.
How do you think the food went down?
Flew off the shelves, quite literally. I just felt really bad for people that didn't get to try it. Because I work back of house as a chef most of the time. Maybe that's why I struggled with taking the orders. I should have like counted out how many portions and this and that. And I was just like, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? And I was just like, yeah, I'll do all of that. I think what I would do is I would like hire someone or ask a friend of mine, kind of like what you were doing, can report back to me and knows a bit about hosting people and he can control the flow a bit. Because for me, I was just batch cooking. I was just doing 8 beef and then 4 this, 4 that. My goal was to share my culture and share traditional Chinese food. And I think I did that. All 3 of those were super traditional home-cooked food that day-to-day Chinese people would eat.
I don't really see any of that here. If I think Chinese food, I tend to think Chinese takeaway like chicken balls and stuff like that.
Would you like to see more of that style of Chinese food?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
Yeah,
stuff
definitely.
like
There's
that.
like for sure a market for it.
Yeah, I did that.
This
you
is
know.
so good, man.
Yeah.
Fancy jidam. How so good.
Yeah, banging.
Super tasty, like good little portion. I really like the spring onions on it, like really nice flavouring.
I really liked it. I thought the egg was really good. There was a lot of flavour.
Something really powerful about feeding people, giving away food. It's very primal. It makes you feel good and warm inside that you're just giving something away for nothing, which is going to sustain someone.
That's why I feel better about running out.
Yeah.
Because I think we did feed quite a lot of people. You know, I think we did a good thing. We should feel good about ourselves
Yeah,
a little
definitely,
bit.
man. Yeah.
So pat on the back.
Yeah.
Oh.
Max, what a 朋友。
谢谢老板。
谢谢朋友。
我的朋友。谢谢。下次再来。
什么？为什么会一点点？
See you later. Sunlight. 啊，好朋友再见。谢谢大家观看这一期，不要忘了点赞、关注、留评论、收藏、投币。I love you guys. 下期再见，拜拜。
And I'm sharing the flyers which are going on every table for Max and Benji, but primarily Max, because I'm not doing any of the cooking.
这位是 Benji， 嘿嘿。
When are you gonna do the cooking for?
Tomorrow.
What are you making? Noodles?
3 types of noodles.
Well, you should do 9 types of noodles. Platform 9.
厨子不偷，五谷不收。A bit of MSG will fix everything. 鸡蛋比西红柿多，鸡蛋便宜在这儿。
我就知道本姐在偷吃。
我进去抓他。
非常好吃。
吃嗨了。Miss my fire。你看这个一放东西就没起来啊！我要尿，我要尿。